Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Taza, and welcome back for another vlog. Happy Vlogmas number 10, you guys. Oh my god. For today's vlog, you guys, as you can see, ito yung suot ko. Naka-headphones ako, and ayan, may earrings. And tsaka sa kabila, ayan. Tsaka, ito, yung nakikita nyo. So, for today's vlog, you guys, hindi lang naman tayo mag-aanuhan, guys. So, we will be having a games to games right here sa laptop, guys. Ayan. Just maglalaro po tayo ng Roblox. Ayan siya, guys. Let's go to the Roblox. And taran! You guys. So, dito tayo, pipili tayo ng isang lalaruin natin. Okay? Okay, guys. Ayan siya, guys. Ang dami na. Ayan. Maglalaro to, you guys. And, ito yung lalaroin ko. So, pipikit lang ako, tapos pipili ako. At kung ano, so, pipikit ako, guys, at pipili ako. At kung ano yung mapipili ko, yan yung lalaroin natin. So, tara ito, guys. Let's go. So, okay, guys. Yung napili ko is, eto, Baking Empire. We're gonna be playing it, you guys. So, tara at maglalaro tayo nitong Baking Empire. Let's go. Hey guys, so update. Tapos na po tayo sa paglalaro ng game. Ayun. Tapos na siya. Sobrang dami pa niya mga mima. Pero, isa lang po yung pinili nating laruin kasi since napili po natin yun. So, anyway, that will be it for today's vlog. You guys have been enjoying watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys! Sorry guys for a small vlog, but hope you just enjoy watching it, me playing it. We will be doing this sooner or later. Okay, bye guys.